Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Katie, aka Tattooed Mama. My hair is always looking a mess. Anyway, today's video is going to be the Walmart beauty box, the spring box for 2022. So let's just open this sucker up. These are, I'm pretty sure, $5 like quarterly. So yeah, let's see what's in here. I haven't seen anyone else's video, so I'm curious. These boxes are just so weird. Opening it wrong. Shouldn't be this hard to open a box. Okay, there we go. Alrighty, let's see what's in here. These boxes are always really good in my opinion. So, beauty for all, and then it shows you everything you get in here. I'm not going to look at it right now because I kind of like for it to be a surprise. Yes! What the heck? We got some really good stuff this month. Nice. Okay. I'm excited. Okay. When I did like the whole thing, this right here is what I'm super excited about. Today I have my DIY Nail Shack nails on. I know my finger tattoos are horrible. I have to get them touched up. But these are the St. Patrick's Day ones. Love it. I have been doing like the acrylic nails, like just gluing them on just because it kind of gives my nails a bit more, makes them a bit more fuller. And yeah, I like these ones as well. These are the press-on ones, but to keep these on a bit more, you can totally put on some nail glue. These are super freaking cute. And by themselves, and I love how this is small in the short length because that's exactly what I wear and I don't even have to cut them. And these are originally like $6 to $8, so it totally paid for this box already. So very excited about that. Let's see if it says anything on here. Yeah, full size, $6.97. It comes with 30 nails in here. Yeah, that is freaking awesome. And everyone's like, the color may vary that what they get. So if you got one of these in your box, let me know. But yeah, like I said, between $5 and $8. So totally paid for this box. Like I said, I'm pretty sure this box is $5 a month or it's $10 a month. $5 like every quarter or whatever. Okay, next up, which I'm very excited about, is the Milani Strobe Light Liquid Highlighter in Sun Glow Platinum Bronzer. This might be a bit too dark for me, so I'll swatch it and check it out. This right here, price-wise, is usually... It doesn't show. Ooh, your box may include an extra surprise we thought you'd love. So this might possibly be that. I don't see it on this thing right here. It's not showing like the price. But yeah. Okay, this next one is Eden Body Works Leave-In Conditioner. Coconut Shea. I love leave-in conditioner. I have like a handful in my shower, so I might possibly be putting this in a giveaway. But I'm sure it has a... Nope. Ooh, that smells really good. Okay. Price-wise for this one... it doesn't say. Yeah, it doesn't say. But yeah, that's awesome. Okay, next up we did get the Golden Cherry Liquid IV. I don't like these. I think it tastes like too salty. I know my sister Emily really likes these. And I think all my sisters like them, but I'm just not a huge fan. Next up, super excited about this. This is the Chapstick Total Hydrate Natural Age Defying. This is a eucalyptus mint. I'm opening this right now because yeah, girl, that's what I have on my lips right now is chapstick. I'm like, this makeup look that I did, you guys will see a tutorial on that. I used some new Joa beauty makeup. Would look way better with a lipstick on, but I just need to hydrate my lips. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, trying to open this. Ugh. I feel like I always have a piece of cat hair on my lips or something. Ooh, super minty. I love it. Love it. All right, last but not least, actually, no, there's two. Cool. So this is the Not Your Mother's Anti-Frizz Smooth Mousse Shampoo and Conditioner little samples. I definitely need this because my hair gets very frizzy. The full size is $7.74. Super excited in that Chapstick is $3.94. And then the full pack of the Liquid IV is around like $9. And then this is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skincare Weightless Water Cream. And this is a little sample. And the full size is $15. I'll save this and stick it in a little giveaway so you guys could try this out because I've tried something very similar to this and absolutely love it. I love CoverGirl like products. So what do you guys think? I think I'm so freaking excited. I love these nails. This I look forward to seeing what it looks like. I mean, obviously you can tell I am very pale. So we'll see how this looks. If not, I'll sell it or something, you know. And then I feel like oh yeah, that Chapstick, freaking awesome. This, freaking awesome. Liquid IV, obviously I won't drink because I'm not like the biggest fan of it. So yeah, very excited. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure you hit that thumbs up button. I do have a giveaway going on right now in my video, my dollar store video, as well as the other video that I posted, and I'm going to be posting another one, which I'll have another. So I've been doing like little giveaways here and there. I have been posting I just finally posted a video on TikTok, which was fun to do. Takes a lot of time though to do, so I'm excited to start doing that and like learning more fun ways to be like creative, you know. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it